From YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to lead a message group or a party chat on your PlayStation 5, and this is really easy to do. So press the PlayStation button and then going down to Game Base. So if we keep getting messages from someone and we want to leave the chat, it's very easy. So maybe this message group or the party chat group, we can go to it now and select into it, and we can see everyone in the party. So it says Timbo Slice Party. We can go to the three little dots for more, and then we have the option to leave the group. Now sometimes you still will receive messages or something like that. You can go to turn off right here, and there's going to be a little bell icon with a cross through it. That's an indication that you will never receive a notification if someone sends you a message in that group, or if you go ahead and get like an invite or something. So you won't receive any of those. Otherwise, what you can do is go to just leave group completely or delete the group if you're an owner. And let's go to yes. It says if you leave the group, you won't be able to see its messages anymore. Do you want to continue? Yes. So sometimes a lot of people just continue to add me stuff, so I just I turn off the notifications, and then I don't have to worry about stuff. This one says bro shut up. I don't really know what this is, but let's go to leave group. I won't be receiving messages from that one anymore. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.